You cheating. But guys, I guess we're not into each other. Is this a divorce now?
Guess so.
Hey guys.
Welcome back to another video.
Welcome back. So as you can see, this weird setup, we are doing a couples telepathy challenge or whatever they may call it. It's basically to see if we're into it with each other. I mean, we've been talking for like 3 years. Let's see if we can read each other's mind. So I hope you enjoy this video. Remember to like, share, comment, subscribe, all of that good stuff. And let's get on with it, yeah?
Deep throat with her lips to my whistle. Come give me a tune. Deep throat when you blow my flute.
Alright, how do we play this?
Alright, so we play this game by basically, like, we'll count to 3. 1, 2, 3, and we have to pick up whatever we think each other is going to pick up. So each of us has a drink, a water, and a beer, which we'll take a sip of course. But yeah, I'm so excited to play this because I really want to see if he knows me, you know?
Or if you know me.
Yeah. Either schmeeder. So yeah, let's get into it. Alright, so I'm going to shuffle mine around because you kind of saw how I laid them out. So to be fair, shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. And I honestly can't see what he's doing next door. Hence this big box, and I'm not going to cheat. Are you going to cheat? You need to like go out more. I feel like you're seeing me. Alright. You ready?
So what do? We both pick up at the same time?
Yeah, we both pick up at the same time. And we'll see if we pick up the same thing. You know what I mean?
Okay.
Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I was about to pick up the water. I was
So we failed. We literally failed the first one.
I was gonna pick up the water.
Wow. Wow. Let's go again. Shuffle, shuffle, shuffle. We have to get at least, what are we doing? 2 out of 2, 3 out of 3. What are we doing? Let's see.
You want to get 3 in a row, you mean?
Yeah, make sure that we're really meant for each other. This is it. Alright. 1, 2, 3. Oh my god. What did you pick up? What did you take up?
Go again.
It's definitely not this. What did you take up?
This is like rock, paper, scissors.
What did you take up?
The water.
Oh my.
You're supposed to do the same thing again.
I was,
That's
you know,
how you
in my head, I'm like, let me pick up the water again to see if he's going to take it up. He did not, but ready?
Mm-hmm.
1, 2, 3. Oh! Ready? 1, 2, 3. Oh my.
I'm gonna go for 2.
This is just like the laziness show, and he's like, let's just get the 3 out of 3 with the 1. Alright. Ready?
1, 2, 3.
Oh, no, Tyler. This is bad. This is bad.
1, 2, 3.
No. Ready? Stop looking over me. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I was gonna pick up the Pepsi.
Alright, I think we just need a time to focus. Let's focus. Let's breathe. Inhale. Exhale, guys. This can't be it. This can't be my life. Ready? 1, 2, 3.
I keep picking up the
Is this just a man thing where you're just like, beer, beer, beer?
I figured you'd pick it up at one point.
Alright, ready? 1, 2, 3. This is bad. Oh my word. I'm calling it quits. This is awful. I'm shuffling because you looked over. You peeped over. You peeping Tom. Alright. If you do not pick up the right thing, you have to chug that beer. If I do not pick up the right thing, I have to chug this drink. Deal?
Alright.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Because I also want to be like, chug, chug, chug. So, anyways. 1, 2, 3. Oh, oh, we both have to chug.
Yeah, it's not just me against you.
So you chug your beer, and I chug my Pepsi.
The beer.
No,
Yeah.
no. You chug the beer, I chug the Pepsi. We can just like be decent and we both chug the water. How about that? Let's see. Who do you think is going to win? Comment quick down below. Who is going to win? Tyler. Or who did you have your money on? Who do you think is going to win? Let's see. 1,
You gonna check me?
2, no, just drink it, finish. 1, 2, 3. I'm like, no, you have to finish. Come back. Come back and finish this like a champ. Sorry, this was in the way. We bought it for our event and luckily we did because we had it now. But oh, Tyler won. Tyler won. He cheated because he made me laugh. He cheated. But guys, I guess we're not into each other. Is this a divorce now?
Guess so.
I guess you guys have to just wait and see in our next video. If we're still together by then.
That's pretty good.
So we'll see you guys in our next video. We hope you liked it. This is a fun game you can play with anyone just to see, test the waters, whatever you want to do. And we'll see you guys in our next video. Felties out.